The LG XBOOM XL7 is a portable speaker that aims to be the ultimate party companion. It has a powerful sound, a flashy light show, and a karaoke mode that lets you sing along to your favorite tunes. But is it worth the money? Let's find out. The LG XBOOM XL7 is a portable party speaker that is designed to fill large rooms with sound. It is a large and heavy speaker, but it has a built-in telescopic handle and smooth gliding wheels, making it relatively easy to transport. The XL7 has a powerful amplifier that can drive the two 8" woofers and two 2.5" tweeters to produce loud, clear sound. It has a total output of 250 watts, which is impressive for a portable speaker. The sound is balanced and distortion-free, even at high volumes. The bass response is particularly impressive, and the XL7 can easily fill a room with deep, thumping bass. The highs are also clear and present thanks to the dual tweeters on the top panel, and the overall soundstage is wide and immersive. The mids are slightly recessed, but still present and detailed. The sound boost mode adds more bass and treble to the sound, but it can also make it sound harsher at times. The XBOOM XL7 is not only loud, but also clear and crisp, and can handle any genre of music with ease and deliver a satisfying sound that will please most listeners. The LG XBOOM XL7 also has some fun features that enhance the sound experience and makes it ideal for parties and other social gatherings. The LED lights on the front panel can sync with the music and create a colorful show that matches the mood of the song. You can also use the app to customize the text and graphics that appear on the LED strip. The DJ effects let you add scratches, flangers, phasers, delays, and more to the music using the app or the remote control. The karaoke mode lets you sing along to your favorite songs using the mic input or the guitar input on the back panel. You can adjust the echo, pitch, key change, vocal cancellation, and voice filters using the app or the remote control. The LG XBOOM XL7 has a built-in battery that can last up to 20 hours on a single charge, also supports Bluetooth 5.1 and works with the AAC and SBC codecs. The speaker can also connect to other LG speakers via the Party Link feature for a bigger sound. The speaker is compatible with the LG XBOOM app, which lets you customize the EQ, lighting, DJ effects, karaoke settings, and more. If this video is helpful to you, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. That tells me that I am building an audience and that I am creating helpful content. And don't forget to hit that like button down below. Looking at the design of the speaker, the LG XBOOM XL7 is a large and heavy speaker that measures 27.6 by 12.2 by 12.4 inches and weighs 34.2 pounds. It has a black exterior with a red XBOOM logo on each side and a telescoping handle and two wheels on the bottom for easy transport. The front panel features an 8" woofer and a thin horizontal LED strip that can display customizable text and graphics. Above that, there is a strobe light and two 2.5" tweeters that deliver high-frequency content. The top panel has buttons for power, volume, playback, lighting, sound boost, Party Link, Bluetooth, and USB. The back panel has a splash-proof cover that hides the AC power input, a USB port, a mic input, a guitar input, and an aux input. Here are some of the pros and cons of the LG XBOOM XL7. Pros: powerful sound with deep bass and clear highs. Wide and immersive soundstage. Karaoke mode with two microphone inputs and guitar input. Built-in karaoke features. DJ effects controlled through the LG XBOOM app. Long battery life of up to 20 hours. Variety of connectivity options, including Bluetooth, USB, and optical audio. Cons: large and heavy speaker. Guitar input sound isn't great. May not be ideal for everyone. Overall, the LG XBOOM XL7 is a great portable party speaker for anyone who wants to fill a large room with sound. It has a powerful sound, a long battery life, a flashy light show, and a karaoke mode that lets you sing along to your favorite tunes. It also has an app that lets you customize the EQ, lighting, DJ effects, karaoke settings, and more. However, it is important to note that the XL7 is a large and heavy speaker, so it may not be ideal for everyone. It's not cheap, but it's worth it if you want to have a blast with your friends and family. I would recommend the LG XBOOM XL7 to anyone who is looking for a powerful and feature-rich portable party speaker. It is a great choice for parties, social gatherings, and other events where you need to fill a large room with sound. However, if you are looking for a more portable and lightweight speaker, you may want to consider other options. For buying options and more information about this speaker, check the links in video description, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my two next videos. See you soon.